Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can add audio to Suno. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com, and we're going to head to the create option in the main menu. And then from here on the top left-hand corner, you'll see here where it says audio. If we click on that, you have a couple options. You can browse, you can upload, or you can record. So if you want to record directly, then you can click that. You're going to want to make sure that you have your microphone set up. You'll get this nice little image here. Click on the button when you're ready to record, and there you go. Record at least 8 seconds, 30-minute limit for audio uploads, which is quite impressive considering that it started with about 30 seconds, now we're up to 30 minutes. So if you want to upload, just click on there and that will open up your device and you can upload audio that way. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our referral code SkillCraft60 to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link and you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.